Today we will cook rice wine chicken. We can cook rice wine miswa with the same soup broth. It's delicious. Let's cook. Sliced ginger. Black fungus. Wash black fungus. Cut into smaller pieces. Chicken. Cut into smaller pieces. 1 teaspoon shoshing wine. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Sauté ginger slices. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Pour in chicken and stir fry. 2 tablespoons rice wine and continue stir fry. Black fungus. Simmer for 2 minutes. 2 tablespoons rice wine and stir fry for 1 minute. 1 big bowl water. Medium heat simmer for 20 minutes. 1 teaspoon salt. After 20 minutes, pour in 1/2 bottle of rice wine to adjust per own preference. Taste and adjust per own preference. Simmer for 30 seconds. Rice wine chicken is done. Rice wine must pair with rice. Superb. Chicken is tender and delicious. This rice wine with rich taste and sweet. Satisfying simple meal. Let's cook rice wine miswa. Crack egg into bowl. Add water for more soup. Optional to add more rice wine for richer taste. Let it boil. Miswa. Add egg once miswa has cooked. Rice wine miswa is done. Three super delicious must-try toast recipes for you. Crispy milk toast. Bread. Bread cut to triangle. Three eggs. Crack eggs into bowl. Milk. Pour in 1 glass milk. Beat the egg. Prepare a food clip or chopsticks. Soak bread into egg liquid. Preheat air fryer at 160 degrees for 5 minutes. Brush cooking oil on air fryer basket. Arrange bread nicely in air fryer basket. Sprinkle sugar on bread. Air fry at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Toast is done. Smell good. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside.
Wow!
It's delicious. Don't leave first. Let's bake bread pudding with remaining egg liquid. Bread egg pudding. It tastes like premium dessert. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. I didn't expect it to be so easy to do. Bread tear into small pieces. Bread pieces soak into egg liquid. Soak bread into milk egg liquid. Sprinkle sugar on top. It's delicious with more sugar coated on top. Optional to sprinkle fruit or raisin. Preheat air fryer. Then air fry at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Take out after 10 minutes. Bread pudding puffed up so much. Smells so good, yummy. Super easy, let me know if you like it. Let's have this healthy bread pudding for breakfast. So delicious. Next, let's do garlic toast. You will fall in for this toast. Crispy garlic toast. Golden crispy texture, yummy. The taste and texture is same as restaurants. Butter 200 gram. Let's start now. Chopped garlic. Prepare a microwave bowl, put in butter. Add in chopped garlic. Microwave to melt butter. Firstly, microwave at high heat for 10 seconds. Take out and give it a good stir after 10 seconds. Microwave at high heat for 10 seconds. Butter has melted nicely. Season with salt, garlic powder and grind black pepper. This is how it looks like after frozen. 1 slice of bread. Spread garlic butter paste. Let's air fry. Air fry at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Toast is ready. Smells so good. Cut into smaller pieces or stick. Leave me message at below video. Tell me which recipe is your favorite. This garlic butter can also use for baked potato, garlic pasta, and fried rice. Garlic portion is at own preferred garlic taste. You may put more or cut the portion too. I use salted butter for this recipe. You may optional to skip salt. Seasoning if you like it less salty. If you are herbs lover, you may also season with your favorite herbs too. It's convenient and delicious to homemade garlic butter. You may use anytime you like. Hello, nice to meet you all again. I found one online recipe that tastes 80% like a KAS chicken wings. Let's try this recipe today. Let's start now. Oyster sauce chicken winglets. Separate winglet and drumnet. Put winglet into bowl. Prepare seasoning. Mix well. Oops, forgot Shaoxing wine. Put winglets into container. Fridge overnight. Winglets looks good. Mix with cornstarch. Mix well. Mix well with cooking oil. Preheat air fryer and fry at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Flip chicken and air fry at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Wow, looks good. Wow, nice golden brown and smells so good. Chicken winglets are good to serve this online recipe that mimic IKEA. Chicken wings actually taste good. Now we can have IKEA chicken wings anytime at home. Give it a try to see if you feel it tastes the same. Welcome to Share Me Your Chicken Wings recipe. Let's learn together. Do follow my next new recipes on every Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss out the next recipe, okay? Thanks for watching. See you soon.